YouTube. So we're new to YouTube. We just woke up. It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. We're gonna sing and stuff on this little account, Heather. And it's gonna be swell. Yeah. We're also gonna do gossip brands because they're really funny. I don't know what that is. It's okay, I'll help you. It's like, watch. Oh my god. Did you hear what happened at the dance? Somebody dropped the drugs. Oh my god. Oh my god. They must have been pissed. Or crack is whack. Mad. I mean. You're an asshole. What? I mean, you're a butthole. Can we curse on here or no? I don't know. Depends on who's gonna watch. Okay, well, this has been fun, but it's nice meeting all you YouTubers who probably won't watch the video. Probably not, because it's annoying. Okay, anyway, yeah, we're gonna sing in like a second, I think, right? Probably. Yeah, as soon as I sneeze, hang on. Okay, sneeze. Say cucumber. Cucumber. Okay, you're too late. Cucumber. Right, why is that? You're supposed to say it before you sneeze. Anywho, alright, we're gonna go. We're gonna prepare a little something, something. We'll be back. True story. Peace out. How do you stop this thing? I don't know. The red stop button. See ya.